To enable or disable touch interaction sound of your Galaxy Watch from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap sound and vibration. Scroll down the screen. Tap system sound. And then tap the on-off switch next to touch interaction to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your Galaxy Watch will play the selected system sound when you are doing touch interaction, such as when you enable or disable an option, long tap your watch screen, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.